back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. If you're new here, welcome. I post fresh remote work from home job leads daily, so make sure you're subscribed so you never miss out on those new work from home jobs that are coming open. But we are going to dive all in. The links to all the pages I share are always linked directly in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from the company Ask Consulting. Now, real quickly, Ask Consulting is an award-winning technology and professional services recruiting firm that services Fortune 500 organizations. So you can kind of think of them like a staffing agency. Now, never fear staffing agencies and things like that. That is where people test out employees to see if they will work, and if they do work, then they put them on their permanent company payroll, and you're no longer on the staffing agency's payroll. So staffing agencies can be great for that. But with that being said, Ask Consulting has 420 reviews on Glassdoor with an employee satisfaction rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. They are hiring someone to do data entry. Now, they're looking for somebody to basically do basic data entry. You're going to review and accurately processing incoming new business contracts from agents and applicants within the established time frames. You'll prepare written correspondence to applicants regarding status of concepts. You'll maintain a detailed knowledge of company products and new business procedures. Function as an effective team member through positive communication with your coworkers. You'll analyze policies to make sure they're in compliance, and you'll research and coordinate information that responds to any questions. They are not requiring any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED. You do have to have your own high-speed internet, and they're looking for somebody who has intermediate skills with those Microsoft Word systems, Microsoft Office systems, Outlook, Word, Excel, someone who can type 60 words per minute, be a critical thinker, and be detail-oriented. They would like somebody who has some data entry experience. Please note they do have this position marked as remote work from home. Now, unfortunately, they did not list their actual pay in the job description. That will have to be asked at the time of the interview. However, I do always try to do some research to get a good estimate for you so you know if it's worth your time to apply. Ask Consulting on Glassdoor had 2 separate data entry salary ranges posted. The first one has a base pay of anywhere from $35,000 to $50,000 a year, with additional bonuses bumping that up to $37,000 to $52,000, and the other posting had anywhere from $33,000 up to $48,000 a year, with additional bonuses and pay making it anywhere from $35,000 to $51,000 a year. If you can hit that high end of $50,000 a year, that's going to be $961 a week. All right, I just want to ask that if you enjoyed this non-phone data entry job lead, please give this video a thumbs up like button. That does give me direct feedback. If you know anybody that this would help, also share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. You can leave anything specific in the comments that you're looking for. And thank you so much for watching and supporting me. I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.